Not often you find a Mary Poppins umbrella. What do you want if I just buy it all?
Hey,
how much is
you're
knife?
not selling this knife. I'm telling you that right now.
You bring, he's in the wrestling business.
Morning. I do.
You're entering Sergeant's resale bunker.
All right, awesome.
I buy storage locker.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
This is cool.
So I got a little bit of everything. If you need anything particular, I definitely have it.
Okay. What do you have in the Simpsons blanket?
I'm doing $5.
I'll take it.
That's nothing crazy, right?
That's cool.
See, I try, you know.
Yeah.
That way you'll come back for more.
Yeah, that's right.
Listen.
I'm a huge Simpsons fan, especially the Halloween episode, so when I saw this, I had to pick it up. He was only asking $5 for it. When I searched online, I could not find any comps on it. I did find that Hot Topic used to sell this back in the day, so hopefully we'll get some good money for this, especially with Halloween around the corner. All right, well, I'll buy this then from you.
Yeah, $5.
$5. This is super cool, man. Thank you so much.
All right, man.
Hey, man, appreciate it. I'll be reaching out to you.
Chris, you again?
Rod.
Rod, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you guys doing today? Sure you guys are gonna get a big crowd when the football starts playing today.
Yeah.
That's true. I was even thinking, like, why does the neighborhood yard sale go until 2 o'clock? But I guess people are out and about and just see a sign.
Probably
and
by 11-ish. Most people who were gonna come will probably have come by that point.
What type of music is though on the records?
Everything, and it's mostly 40 years old and earlier. It's,
okay.
A lot of old stuff that.
The CDs aren't.
Yeah, the CDs. Well, some of them they
I
might
would say,
be 20 years old and later.
If you don't like metal or Pink Floyd, don't look at the CDs.
Oh.
That's not 100% true. At one time I had these alphabetized, but that
Gotcha.
kind of all went by the wayside when we were grabbing and throwing them in there. So you might just have to kind of peruse as you want.
Oh, perfect.
There you go. Got space?
Yeah. What do you want if I just buy it all the CDs?
Oh gosh. I have no idea how many.
This is my type of music.
Please take it for free because no, I'm joking.
No.
I'm like telling him, I'm like, please take all the daggum CDs out of here.
What do you?
This is my jam, like Metallica, like you got Pantera, Ozzy Osbourne.
My Slayer. He's like, you'd be surprised.
Oh yeah.
16.
You're my favorite shopper of the day.
6, 7, 43. I'm assuming there's about the same amount in there. 90. I don't know. What do you think? $50 for all of it? 40? There's probably 100, 90 to 100 CDs in there.
Well, if you're doing 4 for $1, so 4 divided by.
Are you doing 4 for $1?
That's it.
I said 50
I just noticed it right when
yeah, do $25 for all of it. You don't have to worry about it. Is there only 2 boxes? I thought we actually had a third.
Do you have more? Maybe you didn't put out?
No, there were only 2 boxes,
There's 2
but he
boxes?
took a
Okay.
big stack of Floyd.
Took all the Pink Floyd.
He took a huge stack of Floyd, and then there was
My
some
man
other
was into
stuff.
Pink Floyd. That's awesome.
We had the Love and Spoonful vinyl, and then Pink Floyd CD.
You said how many were in this box?
I counted like 47, 48 right here, so I'm assuming that there's about the same amount in there. See what's there. I'm guessing 100 total, but I mean, I'm literally kind of spotting it,
38, 39, 40. Yeah.
Yeah, about 100 total.
About 100 total, okay.
In the ballpark of that, so $25 or 20. Make it golf. Make it easy.
Lionel Richie.
Get out of here. This is hilarious. I literally told him, I said, all these CDs are going to be here at the end of the day. The second guy who shows up, he's
Second
like,
guy comes, he's like, I'll take them all.
I
love it.
Oh, I got White Zombie in here?
Yeah. Los Exorcisto, man. That's their only good album.
Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm excited for this. This is all the CDs in here. Did you guys check it all?
Yeah, I did. Now some of the cases, they're obviously, they're plastic, so they get a little busted. I did check and make sure that everything was in there.
You see that they announced they're coming to Tampa?
Yeah, 2 shows. And Pantera is opening for them on the tour, but they haven't announced what opening acts or what city yet.
They announced in Tampa. So the first day is going to be Limp Bizkit.
So if that's 20, let's just guesstimate. That's about 40. That's about 60. That's about 80.
I will grab these. Are these only Disney ones that you saw on there? Just these 3?
Oh,
I want to say there was
4 or 5. Hold
Okay, I saw those 3.
I saw.
Unless someone,
Yeah, there's like
more.
a Pinocchio
Yeah,
is in there.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a few Disneys.
I'll grab the Disney ones.
Yeah, see, there you go.
Is that,
Here's Cottontail.
There's this one.
There's
Yeah.
Pinocchio. I knew I'd seen Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. Oh yeah, there was
I knew there was like some.
Snow White.
Snow White.
My mom was a huge Barry Manilow fan.
Yeah, I can see the whole Barry
So
Manilow
there's
collection.
probably an entire collection in here. I had to actually play through some of those excruciatingly, just to make sure they played, you know.
It's interesting when you go through like your parents' stuff, and then you get like an understanding of like what they were into. Yeah, and you're like, who are you? Like, so.
My dad
I
had
grew up
every
listening to all of
Ted
it.
Nugent tape ever.
That's better than Barry Manilow.
Yeah,
I'd take Ted
I don't want to
Nugent.
go through this with you though. Like I don't want to be trying to sell Ted Nugent.
All right, I'll take this stuff here.
Awesome. We'll see.
Does this work?
As far as I know, we have not had that plugged up in probably 3 years.
Yeah.
4 maybe. 2, 3. So much.
You were at 25. She had.
$1 each or 15 for 10. Oh yeah. Oh, I actually calculated that out wrong when I doing it in my head for the full 200. Yeah, so $7 for the 7 of them.
Would you say $30 for it all for the CDs in the?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool.
All,
Yep.
you take all the CDs.
Yep.
Perfect.
I sold all the Disney vinyl records in one lot on Whatnot for $21, so it was a quick flip. How are you doing today? Doing great. It's a yard sale day. It's always a good day. Oh man, yeah. Got a bunch of Disney stuff. I see all the Disney hats.
Yeah, those are just from the kids. My kids are all grown now, and I'm just trying to downsize the garage.
Downsize. That's cute. Breakfast pals.
Yeah, those are things that put the tops off it. And
Yep.
pull them off and you got them.
Yep, I remember that.
Oh, I had this forever.
I know.
I said my youngest is off to college, and I told the kids, if you don't want them, I'm not giving them. Stuff's gotta go.
Stuff's gotta go. Yeah. Little Smurfs. Oh, what is this? Is this Mary Poppins?
It's an umbrella. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. You have $10 on that?
Yeah.
Not often you can find a Mary Poppins umbrella.
I know.
Oh no, the beak's broken.
The beak's chipped, so.
Gotcha. Do 5 for it? You got 10?
Nah,
No.
yeah, I really hate to.
Yeah, I gotcha.
I could probably do 8.
8. Okay. I have sold this umbrella in the past. I've gotten $60 for it. I definitely would have picked this up for $10, but the beak was chipped. I offered her 5. She didn't take it. I'm kind of glad because I ended up sitting on it for a while and not selling.
I think I paid 50 for it originally.
Yeah.
Like I said, my kids, you know, they play with stuff. And
What are these? Hatches?
they're like little quilt squares.
Huh. Are these all Halloween ones?
Yep, those are all Halloween ones. You can use them like to put on your bag if you wanted to, or you could put them patches on a jacket.
Are these older?
No.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean, I don't know. They might be old.
They look like because the neon color is like something you see like from the 90s, but
It could be. That's like I said. This stuff's from my kids, so my kids are grown. They were born in the 2000s.
I normally don't pick up crafting fabric, but when I saw this Spider-Man crafting fabric sitting here, I had to pick it up. This is old, early 2000s, and she was only asking $2 for it. I just could not leave it behind. We'll probably get $10, $15 for it. Wet brush. Nightmare Before Christmas.
Shut the door.
Oh, it's an old Viewmaster, yeah. All right.
So we got 9, 10, 11.
Do you have any other Disney stuff you didn't put out yet? Any more pins or like?
I mean, I got a few things.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Appreciate you. What other stuff did you, anything else you want to get rid of maybe?
I mean, not really today.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, well, he's gonna.
Oh man,
Stuff,
what is this?
things like that.
Homemade, oh you made these?
My mama makes.
Oh, that's cool. 2 for $5. I gotta support the mama. So is this? Oh snap! Definitely got to do the Nightmare Before Christmas.
Those are cute.
That's good. I like that. I do like the villain. This one is cool though too. The orange with the pumpkin. All right, so 5, 10, 15. 20.
All right. You have some in your same bag then?
Yeah. Oh yeah, my bag. Huh.
Don't forget bag.
Oh, yeah, I guess. Those are cool. A Halloween around the corner. That would be a good little thing.
Thank you.
You gotta support the mama.
Yep, we appreciate it.
Good morning.
Melba.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, no, it's okay. No, thank you.
Yeah, baby.
Nothing now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Vendió mucho.
How much is that?
Soy de tu lado.
$2.
$2?
That's to hang your necklace.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to text it to my wife.
Dígale
once
ahí
it-
que si le vendió mucho.
He said, well, did you say what I was going to allow?
So much, my pockets just bulging.
Dice que el bolsillo lo tiene lleno.
Ah, good.
I'm going to call her. I'm going to go visit her and have coffee with her.
Sí.
How much is
You're
knife?
not selling this knife. I'm telling you that right now.
He's in the restaurant business.
Oh,
he brings
gotcha.
me so many knives.
Oh, okay.
You know how much this knife sells?
I have no idea. I don't use it. So how much is that one?
That one there, $1.50.
$1.50. Okay, I'll take that.
Dígale a él que yo le pregunto porque yo un día hice
That's a
una
good.
garaje
That's a good knife.
en
Yeah,
mi
it
casa,
is.
hice un garaje
This
ese,
knife,
le puso un
we
ojo,
sell
le puse
these
el baño.
knives.
Ya le puso
What
mi
is, what is
ojo.
it? What kind of?
Dexter Russell.
Okay.
Ah, me asusté, yo
That's
que me
top
había
of the
llevado mi
line
carro,
stuff.
ve, ay,
Gotcha. This is also
ve,
Dexter
ve,
Russell.
ve,
Is this
ve,
Dexter
ve,
Russell
ve,
too?
Cuídame ahí en lo
I
que
think
yo-
It says Russell on it.
Yeah, that's it. They're all Dexter Russell. That's what I sold for years.
Oh, okay.
And every now and then I confiscated one.
Eso me hizo él en Miami.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that brand.
Tenía no sé
Oh,
cuántos
the brand.
cuchillos, porque mi hermano tiene
This is-
mucho de eso, Fabian Enterprise. Y tenía no sé-
Acuérdese cuando
This is a hell of a good chef knife.
Yeah.
y le pone un steak,
I gotta keep an eye out for those in the future. Is this stuff for sale too here? Or are you guys putting it out for decorating?
No, you can go there. This is
Okay.
all Christmas. Inside, outside, we're leaving for Tennessee.
Oh, okay.
There's all kinds of lights to make the house all.
Were you able to pull up Dexter Russell on your?
I did. I looked at them. They do go for some good money. There you go. $2. I'll just give you $2 for it. All right. Thank you. That last guy was very passionate about his knives because he used to work in the restaurant industry for many, many years. And I got to talk to him for a while. One thing I will say, you guys, look out for Cutco knives. If you guys do find them, even if they're damaged, if they have a broken tip, they have chips in them, you can actually go on the Cutco website. You can actually request a replacement and they'll replace them for free. So if you're out and about, always pick up Cutco knives, especially if they're broken. We paid $1.50 for that knife. We'll get about $50 or so for that knife. So great pickup. That Simpsons blanket is so cool. It was really nice meeting Craig. So thank you, man. Appreciate you for giving me the deal on that. I want to keep that for myself. I don't even know if I'm going to sell it. Let me know in the comments. How many times you guys buy something to resell and end up keeping it for yourself? I try not to do it very often, but when it's such a cool piece, it does happen sometimes. And for that big CD pickup, guys, do not pass up metal CDs. You know, when it comes to rock and heavy metal, they sell really, really well. Individually, I'm going to break those down by band and put those on eBay. When it's all said and done, I will have over $100 in listings just based off the CDs. And then everything else I'm putting in one giant lot. I'll probably get about $150 for all those CDs. So I was super pumped about that. Everyone keeps asking me, when is Papa Punching going to be back in videos? Well, Papa Punching is here right now visiting. And we're going to do a whatnot together on Monday night. We're going to sell some graphic t-shirts starting at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll put a link down in the description down below. Come hang out with me and Papa Punching and have a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.